Ubah persetuan tensong sembut mencerang bah kejala Meghalaya berdepai yang ketenat perlu di roads nalor kiwei pat kitenan uloong baki bor pulet kidang penong yang ke jingtohkit halor ke jingtua khyndew tua mau Rngaiñ hakamiet kasau terik yang arja arpulai hakaba arngut kibriu kilayam kani ke jing pentim nu sembut mencerang bah kalalong halor ke pang jingkeli nakilat petai kubor halor kalong kaman jong ke jing pentri ke strok umsirpi sedauki daka NHIDCL kabadang sateng hadu mentah. Halo ke jingjia tua khyndew tua mau kibana kapor sekapor haktai ke surok kamtam hakibentar Rngaiñ bat kumjuru ke surok Sunapur East Gentiles ubah perstun ulong bola depatha ya ke NHIDCL bat ke NHAI banpei penya menumdan ke jing pentut ya kalik kawan.
That one to now the city investigation is on and the police is on the job. IO is on the job and once the process of investigation is completed, so they'll submit a report to the government. Shillong Mail project is in fact the retendering process is still on. I am very sure very soon the package one will be finalized. Whoever the successful bidders concerned. Railbong to operational, I don't know because see, it is their responsibility to follow it off with the defence because this falls under the defence land and defence land. In fact, from the Delhi, they have decided to part the land to the NHIDCL for construction of 4-lane road over there. So right now, as far as state government is concerned, we have already handed over all the portion of land to NHIDCL, except those portions which fall under the defence land. Well, that one, in fact, I've already instructed NHIDCL officials, be alert. And 24/7, you have to also have a ready-made functionaries and also machineries. Whenever the landslide takes place, we have to remove it within 4 hours' time.
Dr. Dipankar Das, DM Cardiology, MD Medicine, na Swagat Hospital, Guwahati, undon hanong ba Shillong, haka arba South Rig Ujileo, Arhajar Arpulai, na duo kapor Kyrwoh baje Mynsiem, Woodland Hospital. Undon ru hakasi sajan ke basau man lau benai. Kino kibran jing pangklong snam kila banwan selok yu. Call how number khandai not pra khandai not khandai nyo khandai not nyo.